Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have a kind of a cool little odd product to share with you. Halloween is right around the corner, and so that's why I picked this particular product up. So if you're new to my channel, I review all kinds of products, some weird, some straightforward. So please do help me out, hit that subscribe button, and then of course if you like this video, be sure to share it and hit that like button for me. Alright, so today's product is by a company called Idealife. I'll include a link down below to Amazon if you want to check it out yourself. But this is basically the breakdown. So it is a submergible LED light. This is the box it comes in, pretty straightforward with some bubble wrap around it. It includes a little instruction booklet, which you don't really need, but it's here in case you need it. It comes with a remote control, which has all the color options. So it has an on button, an off button. This controls the intensity of the lights. These are half hour, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour timers, depending on how long you want to leave it on. And it's got red, green, purple, or which is really blue. And then kind of like an orange, yellow, and turquoise color. And then it has just standard white. And then these are the effects, the strobe, a sparking, a flashing, pulsating thing that looks like it's breathing, and then crossfade. And then this is the device itself. It's got some solid weight to it. It's got a bunch of LED lights in here. It's in a strong plastic case. On the back, it has a little magnet, and then 2 slots for some suction cups. It comes with 4 suction cups, so you can stick it to a window or something like that. The magnet, not very impressed with. So the device is very heavy, so if you want to stick it on your fridge or stick it on a metal door or anything, it'll just keep sliding straight down. However, the suction cups will help hold it. So use the suction cup and the magnet, it'll kind of work, but I didn't buy it for that. I bought it to set in a pumpkin, which it does perfect. So kind of show you it. You just unscrew this here, and then inside here it takes 3 AAA or 3 AA batteries, and then you just kind of screw it back in, and it's ready to go. Now, make sure you screw this tight, because this is what's keeping it submergible for the waterproofing. So if this is not screwed on tight to where the little ribs match, you could get water in here and cause problems. So I'll kind of show you here. I'll slide it on up, see how this goes. So now it's obviously flashing. And we'll go through the red, you got the green, the blue, well, this is the purple, which kind of looks like orange on the remote, then the yellow, and then the turquoise. So then just white light. So you can see it gives you lots of color options. Like I said, I picked it up for Halloween, which having it on red and then kind of having this strobing effect's kind of cool. But that's another kind of complaint I would have with it, is all the effects channel through all the colors, which, is not that big of a deal. I would have liked it to be able to just, if I kept it on red and strobe only on red, that would have been kind of cool. But other than that, it does what I bought it for. It's a cool little light. It can have all kinds of uses for this, for parties and whatnot. So check it out. Like I said, there's a link below, and feel free to hit me up in the comments. I do respond. And until the next review, you guys take it easy. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.